Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers in the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SOLIDWORKS SV06. The SOLIDWORKS SV06 made a lot of waves when it launched. The machine is a clone of the ever-popular original Prusa i3 series but for a fraction of the price. Where Prusa i3 machines can cost as much as $1,099, the SV06 offers similar hardware for just $209. That's not to say the systems are the same. Prusa's software and quality control are next level, but the SV06 manages to offer a similarly great experience for a very accessible price. Part of that experience is the SV06's auto-calibration routines that handle the mesh bed leveling of the 220 by 220 by 250 mm fixed bed with an inductive sensor and level the X-axis that rides on a dual-driven Z, eliminating some of the more tedious maintenance routines. It's not completely hands-off, though, something newer systems at this price point are starting to offer. The one thing to watch out for when considering the SV06 is its poor performance with flexible materials. The system's direct extruder with planetary gearing performs great with rigid filament, but we found flexibles tend to get caught up in the gearing and jam. But, given the all-metal hot end, you can still use more rigid high-temperature filaments than is typical for machines in its price range. During our review, we also found the SV06's TMC 2209 stepper motors to be remarkably quiet, making for a tidy home printing solution. It's an excellent machine, suitable for enthusiasts looking for something hassle-free or for beginners who want to tap into the community experience of a popular system. Classic i3 structure combines with SOLIDWORKS new design. Different from most 3D printers run by wheels in the market, SV06 has a classic i3 structure which avoids wear and tear of wheels and multiple replacements, and it is widely applied into industry. We did something new to make it more applicable for household use. Modular design allows you to assemble SV06 within 5 steps easily. Working with SV06 clipper screen does not come with the printer. Need to purchase additionally. SV06 can reach a fast and upgraded printing speed of 250 mm per second. Planetary dual gear direct drive. SOLIDWORKS self-developed all-metal direct drive extruder with planetary dual gear set provide SV06 with higher drive ratio and a lighter motor, helps to achieve more accurate extrusion. Add large external knob for easy feeding. 300 degrees Celsius high temp printing all metal hot end setup makes it possible to print up to 300 degrees Celsius. No need to deal with PTFE replacement anymore, and even no need to flash the firmware. You can print with different materials better and more easily. Enclosure is still needed if you want to print over 260 degrees Celsius. 2.5-point auto leveling with inductive sensor. Detect the metal print bed through 25 points automatically and compensate the unevenness of the heated bed. The fast, smart, precise detection and compensation help you to get the bed leveled perfectly and get in fantastic first layer. Note, set the height of initial layer to 0.3 mm when you slice. That would help you to printer better initial layer and make the filament stick to the plate better. PEI build plate. The flexible PA-coated build plate with mesh surface design makes the prints can be removed easily without any tools. 220 by 220 by 250 mm print size, enough for daily use and household use. Self-developed 32-bit silent board with TMC 2209 drivers, makes the printer work stably and quietly. UART mode is available, so that more modifications can be done easily for advanced users. Customer service. SOLIDWORKS 3D printers come with 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Any question on SOLIDWORKS SV06 3D printer, just click Ask a Question through our storefronts page, report an issue through the Your Orders page. We will fast respond within 24 hours and try our best to resolve your every issue. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SA. The Creality Ender 3v3 SA sets a new baseline for cheap 3D printing, blending a familiar form with the beginner-friendly fully automatic bed leveling and self-offsetting to give effortlessly perfect first layers. Its standard features run to a 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume, with a Sprite dual-gear direct extruder feeding filament to a hot end that tops out at 260 degrees Celsius. Printing through the full height is served by dual Z-axis motors, ensuring stability throughout. In our time printing with the Ender 3v3 SA, we've found it to be a little workhorse. While it lacks the flashier features and firmware of today's pricier machines, it runs Marlin firmware out of the box. It offers a fuss-free printing experience that's a clear evolution on similar machines from previous years. The removable magnetic print bed can be a bit fussy to return to position after a print, and there's no filament sensor, which is an odd omission these days, even at this price point. But all in all, a simple yet refined cheap 3D printer. Faster and lively printing experience. Ender 3v3 is a 3D printer can print at up to 250 mm per second speed with 2500 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, faster than most of printers on the market. You can complete models efficiently, saving time to wait for print jobs. Moreover, it can keep good printing quality at the same time. The optimized UI uses motion graphics to display the leveling process and other parameters, so you will know how the printer is doing at a glance, providing you a perfect printing experience. Easily start TO print. Creality Ender 3v3 AC 3D printer is easy to put together in 3 steps within about 20 minutes only. It equips CR Touch for auto leveling and strain sensor for auto Z offset. It is easy to get a perfect first layer. Leveling is the important process before printing. It usually makes customers in trouble. This printer can save your time in leveling and easily start to print, which is friendly to all of customers including the beginners. Capable Sprite Direct Extruder. The Sprite Direct Extruder of Ender 3v3 SE enables smooth feeding of various filaments, including PLA, PTG, and TPU. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. Dual stable structure. Creality Ender 3v3 SE dual Z-axis synced by a quality timing belt, ensuring high print quality. The rigid dual Z-axis lead screws reduce Z wobbling effectively. The Y-axis features two 8mm linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, which underpins a steady and accurate motion of the build platform for a lasting time. 32-bit silent mainboard and more. This printer equips a 32-bit silent mainboard with an advanced stepper motor drive to control all axes more precisely for less operation noise. The PC spring steel build plate is sticky and flexible, making it easy to remove the printed models by bending it slightly. Moreover, Ender 3v3 SE equips the auto-filament loading and uploading, 1 tap to load the filament, and 1 tap to unload it. Warning, please make sure the side of the power supply is chosen at 115V before power on. Number 3. Flashpoint Creator Pro 2. It doesn't take much effort to set up dual-color prints. The dual extrusion print quality is clean, with clear boundaries between color changes. You get the versatility of IDX for not much money. Flashforge's dual extrusion stalwart, the Creator Pro, finally got a meaningful upgrade in the Creator Pro 2, ditching the single print head design for a modern independent dual extrusion (IDX) motion system that uses 2 separate print heads for a number of productivity-boosting print modes. This level of hardware at the Creator Pro 2's price of $399 is a steal. The print quality is generally fantastic, with the benefits of the new system making a strong showing in clean breaks between colors or materials. At 200 by 148 by 150 mm, the build volume is a bit shrimpy for the possibilities offered by IDX. You're splitting that printable area between print heads when using them simultaneously, but for the ease of use and quality it offers out of the box, we can overlook this.